आज का क्लास जो है 11th क्लास है। सब्जेक्ट हमारा है जियोलॉजी और टॉपिक जो है फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सम कॉमन ओर्स, मिनरल ओर्स। हमने इससे पहले पढ़ा है व्हाट इज एन ओर, और उसके लिए हमने और एग्जाम्पल जो दी है चैल्कोपाइराइट। बेसिकली दीज ओर्स जो है ये और मिनरल्स बेसिकली होते हैं। इसमें हमने चैल्कोपाइराइट एग्जाम्पल में देखा है चैल्कोपाइराइट इज बेसिकली माइनड फॉर कॉपर, बट बिसाइड्स कॉपर iron and sulfur is also present. So we will take these three examples: galena, hematite and bauxite. As you know, galena is ore of lead sulfide, or we can say it is a lead sulfide, and hematite is iron oxide, ore of iron, and this bauxite is ore of aluminium. This is aluminium oxide. जब हम बात करेंगे गैलिना की, गैलिना चूंकि लेड सल्फाइड है, इसकी एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल मैं आपको बताऊंगा। जो हम घरों में रेडियोस में सेल्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ड्राई सेल्स, उन सेल्स में जो मटेरियल होता है, जो एक तरह का पिंसल अंदर होता है, वही लेड सल्फाइड होता है। उस लेड सल्फाइड का जो क्रिस्टल सिस्टम है वो क्यूबिक होता है। जब ये हमें फील्ड में मिलता है लेड सल्फाइड, और उसको जस्ट उसकी शक्ल जो क्यूब्स जैसी होती है, दीज आर जस्ट लाइक द क्यूब शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स, वी कैन से सिस्टम, क्यूबिक सिस्टम। सो फॉर्म भी है उसकी क्यूब शेप, ये फॉर्म है। मैस्यू, मैस्यू मीन्स कि जो फॉर्म में मैस्यू टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी है, इसको हम इरेगुलर और इसको विच इज नॉट ए स्मूथ, इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से रफ and irregular surfaces. This is a property. For massive is a type of property which is in the form. Form means rough and irregular surfaces. So galena had rough and irregular surfaces when we talk of it as form property. So color, it is always lead gray. Streak is also lead gray. That means color of this over galena is lead gray color, and when it changes into its powder form, streak means when we change the ore into its powder form, then it is lead gray. So now the next property is luster. Luster is the shining property, that is shines like a metal, just like, because it is also a metal, so it shines like a metal. Cleavage property of a mineral is perfect, as we have already discussed in the Mohs scale of hardness of minerals, in which we read 10 minerals. The perfect property is a property when the surfaces of a mineral break easily into flat surfaces. That property of cleavage is known as perfect. So next property is the fracture property. Fracture of this galena or mineral lead sulfide is, fracture property is it is even. So even we can also, this is a mineral fracture, type of a mineral fracture, this even, which form smooth and flat surfaces. Smooth and flat surfaces means the even property of a mineral. Hardness is 2.5 and specific gravity is 7.4 to 7.6 of galena. As per Mohs scale of hardness, the mineral galena, mineral galena has been put on the hardness scale 2.5, and as per the Joly's and Walker's balances, the mineral has been put in the specific gravity category of 7.5 to 7.6. The next is hematite. Hematite is an ore of iron. So as you see in daily life, iron, so that iron is acquired from this ore mineral hematite, which is on the crust part of the earth. So this hematite is also known as kidney ore. This is just the shape of the kidneys. This hematite ore we found in just the kidney shape. This is just the form like this type, this figure. So hexagonal system means, the hexagonal means that when we take it as shape in the crystal system, hexagonal crystal system, that means it's had two angles A just and B which are 90 degree, and angle C is 120, as we have already discussed it in the minerals, physical property of minerals. So we are at present understanding regarding the properties of ores. So next property of form is tabular form of mineral. Hematite is in tabular form, we can say, also it is an ilmenite form, just like this is also a crystal type of a form which has prismatic crystals. So next is color. Color of mineral hematite is steel gray and iron black. So steel gray and iron black, it is color. The next property of this mineral hematite or mineral hematite is streak property, is cherry red. Oh, streak is a property, as we have already discussed it, that when the mineral changes into the spore form, then the powder is shining just like the red cherries. The next is luster. Shining property is metallic, and there is no cleavage. Cleavage is poor, and the fracture of mineral hematite is uneven. Uneven is a fracture property. Even and uneven only differentiates that there are flat surfaces where there are irregular surfaces. There are smooth surfaces, but there are rough surfaces. So even and uneven altogether opposite to each other. So this hematite has uneven fracture property. The next is hardness. 5.5 to 6.75 is the hardness of mineral hematite as per the Mohs scale. Specific gravity is 4.9 to 5.3 of this ore mineral hematite. The next mineral is bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Aluminium oxide, basically it is chemical composition is aluminium hydroxide. When we talk of monoclinic, it is crystal system, then the crystal system is monoclinic crystal system. This is out of the 7 crystal system was this monoclinic crystal system. In monoclinic crystal system, we have read that there are 3 axes of unequal length. So the length of these 3 axes are not equal in monoclinic system. Whereas cubic, all the axes are equal, and in case of other systems, there are different properties of their axes or dimensions of their axis. So next is form. Form of ore mineral bauxite is earthy granular. In other words, there are also prismatic. In other words, we can say prismatic crystals are also earthy granular, means dull type of a form which shows very dull nature of particles which are present on the surface. So next is color. Color of this bauxite is dirty white or brown yellow. These are the 3 colors in which the bauxite can be available in the field or in the laboratories. Streak is a color. Streak is a property of this mineral bauxite, that is white. So powder form of bauxite is white in color when we change it in powder form. Next property is luster. Luster of this bauxite, shining property. Luster is shining property. So shining property, earthy, dull reflective surface. It shows this bauxite shows dull, because you have also seen that the form is earthy. So similarly, this form also shows earthy luster. That means the surface is very dull, no reflection, no reflective surface. In other words, we can say dull reflective surface. Cleavage of this bauxite is absent, or we can say no cleavage. That means cleavage is not visible in the ore mineral bauxite. So next property is fracture. Fracture is conchoidal, subconchoidal. As we see that this is a conchoidal fracture where we see the arc-shaped crystals. So this is subconchoidal. Half of this conchoidal nature character means that half of the crystals are somehow this arc in shape or curve in shape. So next property, hardness. Hardness of bauxite is 2, and the specific gravity of the ore mineral bauxite is 2.5.
So these were the four minerals which were some common ore minerals: chalcopyrite, galena, hematite, and bauxite, which are in our syllabus in class 11th. So we have discussed these four ore minerals on the basis of their properties. Thank you very much for this.